What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a little bit different of a video. I'm going to be showing you my garden to start it off, but there's nothing planted in there yet, so it's not really that too exciting. I'm just going to show you what it's going to be looking like, and then I'm going to be taking you guys on a ride on the side-by-side, and that will conclude our video for today. So let me go ahead and show you the garden. It's over here. It's pretty big. It's a decent size. We're gonna be planting some plants like tomato plants, cucumbers, watermelon, pumpkin, a bunch of different things. And as you can see right here, we got good worms in our garden. That one's a pretty big worm. Yeah, we can call that a night crawler though. I just saw a night crawler the other day though. But I'm trying to keep the weeds out. They're coming up, but I've been keeping them out pretty good with the hoe. And I literally just planted this plant in the middle because it's a good shade plant. It'll get a little bit bigger, and it's called lamb's ear. I got it, and that's the only thing planted in here. But soon we will have other things planted in here. Now let me get you to the side-by-side. You guys are not going to be able to hear me because it's loud, but you guys are going to ride on the front, and we're going to go riding back there. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude today's video. If you want more videos like this, leave a like and comment down below saying that you want more videos like this. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.